get the pretty well idea. We cannot say that this course will give you detailed idea, definitely not, because it is a very, that 20 hours is a very small time to cover that particular big topic, but definitely you will get a fair idea about this particular intellectual property rights. Now, whether you are getting any certificates out of after doing this, yes, definitely. If you opt, this course is free totally, you can get knowledge definitely, but if you want certificate, NPTEL certificates, definitely it is given by IIT. So, that will be very helpful for you for your career. So, for getting that certificate you have to appear for examination, and after that you will definitely get that certificate. And there is one interesting thing, like internships are there. So, those who are like toppers in the course, like after examination, who are the toppers in the course, they may get means 4 or 5 students will get definitely the internship offer, and there is a stipend